going up front there. You know? Traffic look good. You see black smoke. So, make we see what it is when we reach there. Some eventful Saturday so far. Yeah. Listen to traffic that come on the opposite side. Me I go north. Listen to traffic that go south, so it look like up on the south side there, but we don't know yet. Most likely a vehicle fire or something. Yep, it's a vehicle fire. Oh my goodness. My word. Whatever that vehicle is, it's engulfed in flame. Yes, firefighters are there. Cops arriving on the scene. Regulars stay on the opposite side, if you know what I mean. What's gonna happen now? Cop go shut down the road. Or shut down a couple of lanes and for our side too. You know, so nobody not get hurt. But vehicle fire is very, very regular. You know? You can say you see at least 2 a week. Yeah, but just hope and pray that them people are alright, you know, and them good. I don't know what kind of vehicle yet, you know, so I don't know if an accident cars or anything, but we get close, so we'll see. Look like one truck involved. Damn, and it's a vehicle that catch fire right side of construction, construction vehicle. Oh, and a truck. Yeah, one little truck. Yep. See there? Pretty much burn out. There's nobody in there, so it don't look like nobody get. You know? Yeah. I don't know if them people are in there or what. But there you go. Now that they're on the highway.